Hey guys, I am packing to go on a trip and I am going somewhere cold, so I have to bring a bunch of sweaters. And so I bought this vacuum sealing pack so it'll shrink my clothes. And it came with a little vacuum too, which is kind of cool. So I'll show you the pieces that it came with. Okay, so here is what it came with, all these different attachments. For the vacuum, I'm gonna use this one because it fits the best in here. And so I have all these sweaters in here that I'm gonna take with me. But this is the package. It's like a nice heavy durable. It almost has like kind of like a waterproof zipper, and it has a hook here so I can hang it up like in my hotel if I want to. Oh, and it has a little handle right here as well, but it's like really nice thick nylon material. Okay, so I've got all my stuff in here. I'm gonna zip it really tight, and then fold it, open this valve, and then fold it in half to get any extra air out. Alright, so there it is. I just kind of folded it in half because I didn't have a ton, but a lot less bulkier than it was before.